Hello, dear friends, welcome back. So, today I'm going to show you how to give someone access to your Facebook page. Okay, so if you want to make someone admin, if you want to make someone a moderator on your Facebook page, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch this video till the very end to learn how to do it. Okay, but before I go ahead, I would like to ask that you can hit the subscribe button below or click on the bell icon so you always be the first to be notified each time I upload a new video like this. And don't forget to like and share. Okay. So first, you need to make sure you have an internet connection and then head over to your Facebook account just like this. Make sure you're logging into your profile. Okay. And here, click at the three lines by the top right corner. Okay. And then select the page you want to log into. So I'm going to go ahead and click on page. And then select the page I want to log into. So once you log into your page, you're going to click at the three lines by the top right corner again. And then tap on your page name. Click on see dashboard. Just tap on it and scroll all the way down. You can see page access. Just tap on page access. Okay, and here you're going to select the first one and add new. So this is you giving someone access to your page, whether it's admin or as a moderator. Okay, because the admin has full rights over your page. The admin can decide to remove you from your page. So before you make someone an admin, you need to make sure that you know the person. Okay, and maybe your second Facebook account, which is what I'm doing here right now. So I'm going to go ahead and click on next. Okay, and search for the person's name. So I'm going to go ahead and search for my other Facebook account name. So I'm going to tap on it and select it. Okay, so you're going to see this content manage call. This is what the person is going to do on your page. Then if you want the person to be an admin, have full rights over your page, full access on your page. Okay, so you're going to tap on this icon. Just turn this on. Allow this person to also have full control. Okay, before you do this, you need to be careful. Okay, so after that, click on give access. Okay, here you need to put in your password. So after putting your password, you go ahead to click on confirm. Okay, so you can see right here an invitation has been sent to Cheesy Stella. You can see my second account right here. Invitation expires in 31 days. This means if the person you invite does not accept the invitation within 31 days, the invitation is going to expire and the person will no longer be able to access their page. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and accept this. Okay, so that is it. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell icon so you always be the first to be notified each time I upload a new video like this. And don't forget to like and share. Drop me a comment if you're finding it difficult. Okay, see you in my next video, guys.